Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning, afternoon, or evening. This is another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but grab yourself 30 minutes for free, one-to-one. Come over to ldlcall.com and book your slot. We can have that chat. But first, here's your quote for today. Never beg anyone to join your vision. Did Noah beg anyone to get onto the ark? No! He just kept building and told everyone that the rain was coming. If you got a vision or a dream that you want to chase down, go and do it. Don't go begging for help from others if it's not their vision. They're unlikely to want to even try and help you. Think of yourself as Noah building that ark. You knew that the rain was coming, so don't stop them from trying to put it all together. You are the leader of your own visions, so be just that and watch it all come together.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.